Welcome back. You are watching KSL World YouTube channel. We will talk about Tennessee's best place to retire is officially this underrated town. So let's start our video. Our charming underrated jewel is in West Tennessee's Bacon's retreats to consider its lead. Back Knox and Canonies during their golden years, the sweetest chapters of their lives. This beautiful town, unlike its French counterpart, quietly offers a beautiful blend of unique cultural experiences and small town warmth without bustling city lights and unnecessary traffic noise. Yet, all equipped with its own iconic Eiffel Tower replica. Tennessee's Paris resides along the west bank of the beautiful Kentucky Lake in Henry County and is one of the best spots in the state for the outdoorsy type. But what truly makes it special is its warm atmosphere and affordability for the retreats, perfect for those who don't want to stretch their monthly pension for any more expenses outside of food, housing, and transportations. Also for the retirees who love the outdoors, Paris has something for everyone, especially seeing it's located very close to a state park and a lake, adding to the town's outdoorsy vibes. Paris is like an offer of the Britain path destination for the Golden Eagles. It's laid back, but it's not remote either, as it's tucked away just halfway between the metropolitan areas of Memphis and Nashville. Learn more about Paris, an underrated town and the best place to retire in Tennessee. Discover Tennessee's best place to retire. Founded in 1823, Paris was the first town to be incorporated in West Tennessee and curdles a little over uh, one. 1 lakh residents, 10,000 residents within its compact size of only 8,000 acres, with several charming establishments that are locally owned. Paris is becoming a haven for those seeking a more lead back life, but one that's spill necked, packed with outdoor excursions for adventurous uh, souls that still lended the town's warm and welcoming atmosphere draws many retreats as well, and the ideas of its affordability only confirms Paris as the best place to retire in Tennessee. The cost of living in Paris is also around 26% and 17% lower than the national and Tennessee's averages, respectively. For a single person to live comfortably, the estimated cost of living is about 1900 per dollar per month, or a total of 22,800 for a year, which is 60% less expensive than the US average. As for a family, 2,580 dollars per month would be an approximation for living in Paris. Note: the property tax in Tennessee remains relatively low, although sales taxes are high. In addition, the median home value in Paris is around $1,60,000, which is also lower than the national value of remote than $30,000. Henry County itself has around $1,45,200 median home value, and On a state level, Tennessee doesn't tax its residents on their special security benefits or their withdrawals or income from an IRA 401k plan or pension. Paris also has two dedicated local hospitals, Henry County Medical Center and Paris Regional Medical Center, offering comprehensive medical care for residents as well as a solid and reliable healthcare infrastructure. For retirees who love the small town charm and amazing outdoorsy vibes, Paris checks all the boxes. Not to mention its location close to recreational spots, its national beauty, and welcoming community with a cultural twist, having been named for Paris Finance, France. Paris town information. Population 10,616. Total area 8,294 acre. Coordinations 36.18 for an 88.1850 W. Closest major cities: Jackson, Tennessee 16 miles south. Clarksville, Tennessee 60 miles east. Interestingly, the town was named in honor of the French military officer Marquis de Lafayette, who joined the Continental Army during the American Revolutionary War. To make it even more meaningful, a 70-foot replica of the Eiffel Tower was built in the early 1990s at the Eiffel Tower Park in Paris. What retreats can enjoy in Paris, Tennessee? West Tennessee offers a wide range of outdoor recreation, amazing live shows, delicious local cuisine, legendary traditions, and iconic landmarks. For Paris, literally the Paris of Tennessee, one of the state's most charming small towns, has its own Eiffel Tower, which tells the town's rich history during the American Revolutionary War. The tower's location is also a beautiful spot for retreats to enjoy, along with Paris' surrounding natural beauty. Easy outdoor leisure. Paris' iconic landmark, the Eiffel Tower, is located in the Eiffel Tower Park, formerly known as Memorial Park, which features a splash pad, picnic areas, sports fields, walking trails, playgrounds, a trout pond, and a swimming pool. Among others, active retreats will love spending their mornings or afternoons in the park, whether they want to play sports or simply relax and walk the trails. Note: the park's swimming pool opens on Memorial Day weekend. Of course, Eiffel Tower Park is just one of the best spots in Paris to enjoy the outdoors. The town's location along the banks of Kentucky Lake also calls for kayaking, fishing, boating, hiking, wildlife viewing, and much more. Retries will love being close to nature for a peaceful escape, and lake's scenic shoreline offers a delightful space for easy strolls and sightseeing. Also, the nearby Paris Landing State Park features an 18-hole golf course, picnic areas with barbecue grills, a marina, a swimming pool, lodging, campsites, and many more. Cultural and community events. Retreats will also have fun with celebrations in Paris as part of its community driven activities, including holiday parades, seasonal farmers market, live music, nights and summer activities. Paris is also known for its annual celebration of the world's biggest fish fry, a week long festival in Fly. In April, featuring a grand parade carnival, catfish races, a street dance, videos, and highly anticipated 12,500 pounds of catfish served at the all you can eat fish tent at the Henry County Fairgrounds. Active social life. Paris also has strong support for different clubs of all ages in town, including the country clubs, volunteers groups, faith communities, and particularly the retirees association and communities, including the senior stars club at Henry County Medical Center's charter senior living and Rose Stone retirement community in Paris retreats have plenty of social groups to choose from to enjoy their golden years at a slower pace, walkability, and gentle living. Paris laid back and warm atmosphere creates a safe and welcoming haven for retreats who want to escape the bustling life in the metropolis for intense downtown Paris. Walkability offers a gentler approach to retreats, seeking a smooth and easy way of life. Even when they need to run errands or stroll the neighborhood, retreats will enjoy. Shopping for antiques, unique local arts and crafts, while tasting some local flavors at cozy cafes, bakeries, and charming restaurants. Never mind Florida, the Switzerland of Central America is quietly becoming the retirement. Never mind Florida, a new contender is quietly emerging as the global retirement destination. The benefits of retiring in Paris and Tennessee. Paris' laid-back atmosphere and small town charm are the major draws for retirees to call the town their new home throughout their golden years with amazing outdoor recreation, national beauty, and community driven events. Paris deserves recognition as Tennessee's best place to retire, not to mention its timeless charm, smaller population, and compact size. But there are many more benefits to retiring in this underrated town as well. Paris retirement information. Estimated cost of living per person per month $1,900. Median house value $1,61,900. To top it all, Paris has plenty of other benefits that retirees can take advantage of as soon as they decide to retire in this charming, overlooked gem of West Tennessee. It's also one of the many small towns to retire in the US for less than $20,000 per month, making it a budget friendly option for older adults who want to save more when they retire. Non taxable social security benefits, affordable cost of living, comprehensive medical care of facilities, a walkable downtown area, laid back and outdoorsy, year round community focused events and festivals. Natural beauty right next door, gentle climate, a charming small town vibe, peaceful but not secluded from financial tax and cost of living advantages to Georgia's outdoor scenery and nice weather and a variety of outdoor Recreational opportunities. It's easy to understand why Paris is the best town to retire in Tennessee in recent years. Complete with an enchanting Eiffel Tower replica, boundless outdoor experience, and an engaging community, Paris offers a true sense of belonging for retirees seeking an affordable and peaceful home to spend the beautiful chapters of their lives away from the flashy lifestyle in a busy urban canon. See you on next videos. Take care. Bye.